K0PIR, portable 4. Where are you located today, N0AJ?
Yeah, good morning, Jim. I'm in Independence, Missouri, and staying at a Cracker Barrel, and it's a chilly, boy, it's chilly outside, about 34 right now, or 31, and I'm headed towards Chesterfield, and I might be able to meet up with Bill tomorrow, and I've got a couple hundred miles to go. But anyway, it's been a beautiful drive, and not much of a problem. So back to you, Jim. Thanks for getting me in. My battery's running low. N0AJ K0PIR portable.
Okay, Rich. Jerry, Rich is in Independence, Missouri right now, on his way to Chesterfield, Missouri.
And a little chilly in the camper. Well, it's 58 degrees in the camper, and that's why I have my my little cap on here to keep me warm, keep the heat from escaping my head, because I don't have any hair up there. Come on, little buddy, let's go for a walk. Yeah, let's go for a walk. Another foggy morning. Hey, buddy, you want to get some lunch? Lunchtime, biscuit? Lunchtime? Yeah, let's get some lunch. All right, then we'll take a walk. Yeah, we'll go for a walk. Oh, boy. You got your waterproof jacket on. Yes, sir. Their bathrooms. They've only got one sink in there for the men, so I had to wait in line. I've never had to do that in the rest area of the bathroom. What do you think, biscuit? Come on. Yeah, furnace is going. It's warming up in here. Cold bread. here, Biscuit. Come here. Want it? Turkey. No? Not good? Okay, there you go. There you go. Good stuff, huh? Yeah. Now you like it. Okay, that's all you get.
A familiar voice injecting himself into this election cycle, comedian Jon Stewart announces his return to The Daily Show. Are the stakes even higher today than when he retired in 2015? And leading this hour, one day after Republican voters get their say in New Hampshire, President Biden has supported big...
Okay, we're going to take the turn to Graham Cave State Park. I was going to go to the Danville Conservation Area for free camping, but I do need to hook up my water and fill my water tank and get it going. So this state park looks pretty reasonable, and let's see if I can get a site here. It's also listed as a park for parks on the air, so double winner here. Okay, we're here, buddy. We're gonna get a campsite. They said the water's turned off at the sites, but I bet they got a faucet somewhere we can fill our water. That's what we need to do. All right, buddy. Looks pretty nice. Real foggy out, but we got electricity, and the park ranger, he helped me get some water in my holding tank, so I can I can connect my hoses. Mr. B's running away. I can connect my hoses and get everything working, all the plumbing working inside.